For this video, I was planning to do a living room spring clean with me video, which as you can see does need to happen. But because of the pandemic and people across the nation supposed to stay in their homes as much as possible, I decided to do a grocery haul and meal plan for 2 weeks because, you know, whether you like it or not, it is best probably at this time to stay as much as possible within your house, not only to protect yourself, but also others who may be, you know, more concerned about the virus. So, first of all, I'm going to show you what foods we do have. The first thing I did is look into what we have. So we're in the pantry right now, and to tell you the truth, we do have quite a bit to begin with because my husband stockpiles when he goes to Costco since we live in a rural area. So we have bags, vinegar, a lot of cleaning agents including bathroom bleach, stain removers, Clorox wipes, and then all different types of soap, dishwasher soap, hand soap, and some other hand soap. Then moving on to food, we have a lot of coffee. Mama needs her coffee, crackers, a few different types of snacks, including healthy fruit snacks and some trail mix, pasta sauces, what's back here, barbecue sauce, coffee filters, peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good thing to have on hand because it has a long shelf life and you can get a lot of protein from it. Of course, all different types of canned fruits and vegetables are also good to have because they have a longer shelf life, in addition to pastas. That's a good thing to stock up on. Here we have different canned things that we use sometimes, sliced pineapples, tomato sauce. I use tomato sauce a lot in recipes, and in fact, I need to get some more. I should have that on the list, tomato sauce. Some beans that I use for chili, and I need to have more of those too. It's good to go through here so I know what I need. Cream of mushroom soup, tuna, canned tuna, another good thing that has a long shelf life. Oatmeal, and we have more oatmeal than this too. These are just our plain oatmeal. Quinoa, honey, and then the prized toilet paper, which that's not all. Yeah, and this is low compared to what we have sometimes because my husband, as I said stockpiles when he goes to Costco. We did not hurry up and get this. He got that like a month ago. So then we have mac and cheese. We might need a little bit more of that. And then I know we need some more of these. Like we have some chili and gravy and taco, but we're out of sloppy Joe mix, which my kids love. Thanks to my sister-in-law who taught me how to make good sloppy joes. We're almost out of flour. That is important. Ketchup, salsa, extra virgin olive oil. That's good to have. And then we have different types of hamburger helper, plenty of sugar, more crackers, Bush Light. Might need that when we're staying home. And then here's more oatmeal. As I said, the kids eat that oatmeal. Here's another thing we need to get, potatoes. I use that in a lot of recipes and my kids love potatoes. And then down here, we only have one apple juice left. Need to get more of that. LaCroix, pistachios, and then what's hiding back here? This is something my husband, I think, uses more. French fried onions, and we have plenty of those. My husband uses that more for stuff that he likes to make. And then this is all sugar. This is embarrassing, but you know, you got to make cupcakes with sprinkles sometimes, right? Cake pop things and sugar. Okay. Oh, yep, I got that all in there. So, there's one more thing in our pantry. Yes, can't forget about this. We do buy meat in bulk from my brother. So we got half of beef and we have, thank goodness, you know, our own little freezer. So that's nice too. My husband makes these hash browns a lot and the girls love them. We have some chicken in addition to the meat. So there we go. We're pretty prepared, but I know we need more stuff for a couple weeks if we're going to be inside for a couple weeks. And then I was also looking in my kitchen of what we have here. We only have 2 loaves of bread and we run through bread pretty quickly. The girls just love peanut butter and butter bread and butter toast, so we definitely need more of that. We also have cereal in store, and to be honest, Dave is the only one who eats cereal, so I think we're probably good on those 2 boxes. We have a little bit of fresh fruit, and of course, you know, fresh fruit doesn't stay good forever, but I think we could use some more apples. The girls do eat apples a lot, and for fruit that has a fairly long shelf life, maybe a couple of weeks if you can, you know, get fairly good apples. Here we have different toppings for salad, like croutons. My girls love croutons, actually. It's kind of odd that they just eat plain croutons. And we have sliced almonds. This needs to be organized, right? I need to do another organization video. And sunflower seeds. I think we're good there. Different chips that my husband likes to snack on. Talking about organizing, this is the kids' drawer that always seems to be a mess, but they have a lot of random crackers in here. Need to teach them to, when they open one, don't open another one up. But they do have a little bit of Cookie Crisp cereal, some more of those fruit strips, which these are really good for being healthy fruit strips, much better than fruit snacks. This is something good to have on hand, granola bars. My kids eat granola bars fairly often, and they have a long shelf life. On the bottom here, another good thing that we love is applesauce and granola, along with peanuts and raisins. We do have this yogurt, or not yogurt, pudding, this unicorn pudding that my girls wanted, but they don't love that. So that's been sitting there for a little bit. Whoops, organization. And then last but not least, the fridge, which we just did a cleaning video and cleaned this fridge. It looks a lot better than it did. Well, the outside, the inside could use a little bit more cleaning again, but we're almost out of eggs, so we definitely need that. Plus, the girls have been loving dyeing eggs. So, yeah, definitely need to get more of that. My husband has plenty of butter. He also stockpiles butter at Costco. A little bit of apple juice and wine, cottage cheese. We might need more of that. I need to check on that. A little bit of cottage cheese, but my one daughter loves cottage cheese. Used by March 20th. Okay, maybe we need one more thing of cottage cheese. A few like kale and stuff, which I could use more of. Maybe some more, another onion. Or no. Oh, we might be good on onions. And then here's our cheese drawer, which we have quite a bit of cheese. We love cheese. After figuring out what we had, I came up with a plan. First, I made 2 weeks of meals. And you may notice that I just have one meal on each day. That's because there's always plenty of leftovers. Plus, for breakfast, my kids usually have like eggs and toast or fruit and toast or oatmeal. And I know we have that. Then after that plan, I came up with what we all need to buy today. And if you would like these printables, I'll link down below where I found them. They're free printables. This one's nice because it organizes it by section. And if I send my great husband to the grocery store, hopefully he'll be able to find it better since it's organized into sections. And then when I was printing these off, I found this too, which I'll link down below. Could be an interesting thing to look through, but 25 things to have in your emergency food storage. There are some things I don't have on the list because like bottled water, we do have a lot of that, and we also have our own well, so we drink water from our own well. But yeah, this is also interesting to look for. Now, good luck to my husband on his shopping! Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I would also appreciate it if you went down below and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of future videos, because as we know, as I said, my living room needs a little spring clean touch-up. So that video will be coming shortly. Meanwhile, I do hope that this video has helped you in some way, and take care, everyone.